Hello, and welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll explain how to search for updates on Android so you can keep your device up to date. I'll walk you through each step clearly. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Settings app on your phone. This app controls all system options and phone features. Step 2, scroll down and tap on System. This section manages Android system functions. Entering this area is important because software updates are handled here. Step 3, tap on System Update. This option shows update-related settings and information. It helps you see how your phone checks and installs updates. Step 4, tap on Online Update. This method checks for updates using the internet. It is useful when you want to download the latest official software directly from the server. Step 5, tap Check for Update and wait. While your phone searches for the latest software, this may take a few seconds. Your phone will notify you if a new update is available to download. Step 6, go back to the System Update main menu. This allows you to choose another update method. It is helpful if you already have an update file saved on your phone. Step 7, tap on Local Update. This option is used to install updates manually. It looks for update files stored on your device. Step 8, tap on Internal Shared Storage, where downloaded update files are usually saved. If any update is available, it will show here and you can proceed with installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful Android tutorials.